What is up, everybody? I had an opportunity to do some more freelance work traveling with Babcock's Media. We were doing shoots in New Jersey and then over on Long Island, but we passed through New York City twice. I absolutely love New York City. Even though we didn't have the chance to actually stop in the city, we did go right through kind of on accident. So I was just taking some footage you're seeing right here with my DJI Pocket, but on the way back I captured a lot of slow motion of the bridges with my Canon R5, some that the company could use for B-roll if they needed, but some that I was just shooting to entertain myself. So I just made this little montage of slow motion New York City bridge footage. So check it out, just my little love letter to New York passing through. So thanks as always for watching. As usual, this channel kind of withered as I worked on my bike stuff all summer long, riding and making those videos. But as the weather changes, we will be back with some more vids.